Who's that girl with that makeup on? Oh, it is Fancy Christine. So why don't you like and subscribe?
Okay, hey guys, it's your girl, the Fancy Christine, but you know what? You can call me Fancy, that's okay. So, it's been a while since I've done a video. It just has, I don't know. So today's video, do you all see this? That is gray hair. Oh my, it's been that's definitely gray hair. Do you see it glistening? Yeah. That's fine. It's not a big deal. I haven't colored my hair in a while because it's so short, it just grows out anyway, you know. But yeah. 32. It's fine though. Okay. Today we are going to do just a very simple, like a no makeup look, but no makeup means there's gonna be makeup involved. Because a no makeup look means makeup. And we're also gonna talk about how to cover up acne. I'm having some acne issues lately. It's not terrible. I definitely had worse, but it's there. We've got the redness and the bumping and all that. So here we go. So first, like always, you're going to start out with some type of a primer. I love this stuff. This is the MAC Prep and Prime, MAC Fix Plus, excuse me. So you can use it as a primer and as a setting spray. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so we are priming. All right, so we are going to start with foundation. This is my tried and true Revlon Color Stay foundation. And we are going to put it on with our foundation brush. If I can find it. Oh, here it is. Our Y6 Morphe brush. So what I like to do, I think I've talked about this. I usually pump it onto the back of my hand, then spread it around my face, and then I blend it in with the brush. So part of that no makeup look is that you got to get a even skin tone going, which is where foundation comes in. And now it's time for concealer. I think I'm gonna have to hunt down my concealer. I think for today I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. We're gonna do that in our regular concealing spot, so that's under the eye. I do it on my eyelid. We're gonna do the forehead here, a little more on the nose. Okay, a little more than that. The center of the nose, let's try to keep it where it's supposed to go. Okay, and then on the chin. Okay, and we're gonna blend that. So now what I do is I spray that MAC Fix Plus on my blender just to get it damp, and then we blend. That's where you beat your face. Make sure to get that eyelid. The reason I put it on my eyelid, I think I've talked about this before, but it's because you can use that as a eyeshadow primer. Just use your concealer. Don't buy a whole new product. You do not need eyeshadow primer. I have found that this holds the eyeshadow just fine. Okay, so now we're gonna work on covering up our acne. So I think the tip here is I'm not gonna use the same concealer I just used on my like under eye and my forehead. This is like to highlight with. It's a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, just a little bit. So the one that I'm going to use is my actual skin color. Right here, you don't want to use something that's too light on your skin because then you're going to see the light spots where your acne is. That's not cute. Now this isn't going to completely, it's not going to look like I don't have acne, okay? You're going to see a little bit of it, but it will help to cover up those areas and make them less noticeable. So right now we're just taking that skin colored concealer and putting it over our acne. I got some spots over here. Okay, right here's my big one though. And over here. Okay, so I'm going to take that same blending brush that I just blended my concealer with, and we're gonna beat it in. And like I said, I mean, you can still see the bump. There's nothing I can do about the bump. There's nothing anyone can do about it. It's there, but it does help to hide the redness that comes with the acne. And also whenever we put our blush on and stuff, that'll help hide that too. Okay, I'm gonna take my Morphe E52 brush with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And girl, we just gonna set our whole face with it. Setting that face, you can already tell that I've set it. It already looks matte instead of super shiny like it just did. That's gonna help your foundation not to be so shiny. It's also gonna help to keep it on longer. So that's a very important step. So now, I think for our no makeup look, we can fill in our eyebrows a little bit. I think since we're trying to make it look like we're not wearing makeup, but yet we're gonna have a good face on, we don't wanna do our brows too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my e.l.f. brush, and we're just gonna lightly blend it in. Okay, so just keep coloring it in until you're happy with it. Use that spoolie on the end to spread out that color. That's what I do. So there, I've got, like, they look natural. They're just more filled in and darker than they usually are. But I didn't draw in the extra brow that I usually draw on. Usually whenever I do eyeshadow, I do like 2, 3, 4 colors. So for this, I think I might do 2. So I think we're gonna use a really nude color on our actual lid. So like this one here is nude for me. Just gives a little something on your lid there. So just spread that all over the lid. So I've got that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna use just a little bit darker of a brown and do like maybe the outside of my crease, like this one up here. Okay, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna blend that in, up in that crease and on the side. Just gives it a bit more dimension. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now we're just gonna add some mascara. I don't think that if you're doing a natural look that you need eyeliner, because that makes it a little too much. So we're gonna do some mascara. All right, so we've got our lashes on. I use my CoverGirl Clump Crusher. That's hard to say. CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara. This stuff is my favorite. I love it. It separates the lashes really well. It doesn't leave clumps, hence the name. And I always get the black and it looks really good. I like it. So anyway, so we're done with the eyes. Now we're just gonna do a bit on the cheeks. Milani's Illuminating Face Powder. So we're gonna get that in there. It's almost got like a brownish pinky, and yeah, anyway, I don't know. So we're gonna put it on our cheeks and work it up. And what I do, if you guys don't want to use bronzer, I never used bronzer before I started really doing makeup, but to shape your face and give you that contoured look, and I did this before contouring was a thing, FYI, I bring the blush up here. My sister was always like, why are you putting blush on your forehead? I was like, because it makes my face look good, okay. So we're gonna do that. Okay. And what I always do after I get my face on, I clean my lips off because I get the powder and the foundation and stuff off my lips with a Q-tip. Okay, and so since we're doing like the no makeup look, I think that for the lips, just use your favorite chapstick. Like, you don't need to add a bunch of color to your lips. Once you take all that foundation off and stuff, your natural lip color is showing through. We are going to go ahead and set it with some my MAC Fix Plus. And we're going to fan that in. All right, guys, there you have it. There's the no makeup look. And we also help to cover some acne. Like I said, this one's kind of bigger, so you're still seeing it, but it's not what people are gonna, people don't stare at your acne. They really don't. I know we all think that they do. I'm always like, oh, everyone's looking at me. They're not. They're just not. But anyway, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. I dig it. This is how, if I wear my makeup or when I wear makeup but I don't want to do like every step, this is usually the look I end up going for. So it's just a very basic but very pretty look. So I'll see you next time. Stay fancy. Bye.